episode for high juicy news. We were Obibia Aquaba, Ahadie latest and hot news. Enqua, Aremeyaw Bremo. And so you subscribe to channel area, Bomodia say over subscribe. So say Hadie latest hot. Aremeyaw bro. The other say over click a subscribe button. Now our barely notification. Where there's a video for Frubia be uploaded. When the first person I would say Ebeka a video. Afi we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana memo hano. Afi ye hwe ye ensemo ababeto yep no so yeti ye sa report ya ababeto dwa yeti sa report
me fe free sa short video bina NPP for afana omo a push for their own agenda, no? And I think a lot of people don't even know the basis of that video. That video no year 2025 video. Video no, and year 2025 video. Enti ubia. What na home politicians ama usika opposition kakrana omodema omonunti efa mutirimuno. The video is not 2025 video. Ye share 2025 yasi. Menye major show apart from last Friday. Inti asasa muti asese enye 2025 video. That's number one. Number two, video no krano. Enye 2024 video. The video is 2023. Enye June 2023. Semundi ma me catch them playing. A video no. Enye June 2023. June 2023. And as our video, no, yeah. The video is not 2025. So those of you who do not know, a common demo, you know, a todana, your book Captain Smart dear, and comfort Dimrika, Eba Beshe. And na social media, Triamoka. And unti I hear me there because Nkrofo did me, and I'm so happy and glad about it. So Nkrofo did me home. Ubu mi di ba kope ye to be fa picture bi ye be picture to all na ye the actual headline bi asem no kura mfa me home be so Nkrofo di mirika no ma kwa akoshe. And I thank God say minti mudidi because I mean niwa kebi amu nyeduane di ka komedemo. Because of me, ko na umbo mi di social media. Na go fa beshe. Ni etwa wo kakakra. No when you do ani edi. Ti no kra mo nda nyame ase. Good. So the issues on this particular video, men chakra was way. Number one. Obuasi 2022. Obuasi 2022 no. Youth na wo hono no more agitated. And Obua ages Anglo Gold for Nankasa Jitu Muse or more abandoned pits. So abandoned pits na no more Eja Wohono. A Hona boys neko no mukudidim. And let me say, assembly, then NPP penning for a cantain amenano so moji amenano ama omonkrofo. Teliye, you assume that ye. Womo je amenano, womo je ye, e kantan amenano so. E de ma womo nkrofo, no mo share that koye say e Anglo Gold. E na stopping guys no from working. It was not Anglo Gold as of that time. 2022. So 2023, if you remember, we went to Obuasi. Issue no ebe ye gidi. na NPP for na wo ho nim say ye ba be ka nokore na e wo ho nti e na wo mu di mirika e man nkofo be disrupt show na ye koye and it was evident Emma NPP from penny for na kasa kure won cry han bi bufu say dey nti no mo stop ye o mo say order from above so mo ma ye nye show no it was because say no mo je pit no abandoned pit na Anglo Gold Ashanti penny for crack says a pit no mu hia bi mu no wo mo je sa pit na fi wo mo nsem so guys are mo de share wo mo nsa so wo mo nje no they are the boys they sent the NPP guys. So mum no messed up here. So cool. Yeah, Juma. And you if you near better was walk bassy. Then your bank crying. And I maybe can't say. Amenana ewo hono. Obi no betu stop you bia. So be kosa amenanim. Obi ani asasi so a. Obetimi stop obia so be ko amenanim bi. Akwa ye adwuma enti boys no so kwa amene mu bi no mo nkwa ye adwuma because say Anglo Gold Ashanti aka say a abandoned pit na say wo mu hia bio a why is it that so bi na beje amene na boss say captain Kwaku Annan nkwa amene no nkwa ye adwuma na ma mo bi nkwa ye obi na boys na aka no o menye adwuma wo he Obuasi Edwuma be na wo. So when we came June 2023, June 12, 2023.
June 17.
It was in June, either 12, 15, 16. It was a series. That started from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I think 17, yeah. It was a whole series. How can somebody sit somewhere and go and pull 2023 video? Now, Odimrika, Eddie Abesha, say as if say video no, yeah, and Rayani a show no. I don't own anybody explanation, but I just want you to know, say, some video na more can as if say see and then no. Video no June 2023. Guys, ni year juma wo hodada. 2023 na no mo year juma. Hom kwa amenanim. 2024 no mo kwa amenanim. It's an abandoned pit. So whoever is pushing anybody to use an old video to come and portray say as if say Captain Smart yes, I know I am the king of morning shows. That's number one. Number two, I know when it comes to information in this country, on TV and on radio, I am number one. Number three, I know Sammy, me be no cancer. I know. And Akufo Addo akwa fasa video no say video no year and then answer video no year June 2023. Now if you apopia ekobo video no opost here owie no delete here. Why did she delete that video? It is because a 2023 video. Okay, a 2023 video. Enti the assessor yebusa ye ho ne say Anglo Gold Ashanti, a great company. They are coming from South Africa, Joburg, Johannesburg. A whole Anglo Gold company ewo. Bisaru as a Ghanaian. Obuasi na she Johannesburg and tell me say Sani ye crew, Sani ye maya na ebusafo eni dey kwaso. 2022 I went to Obuasi if not more, about 4 or 5 times. 2023, Unyanti, ye ko Obuasi, ye da Obuasi, asare about 3 times. 2023. 2024, me ankasa on my me koye made. Me ko home yenu apejaware esako ho. Enti wo show Obuasi na hwe the way Anglo Gold for eyo Obuasi ensuo eni Obuasi. There's no water ewo Obuasi. Ensuo way. Asase na ewo ho ni na no, o ma se ni na
Deformities.
Would you Obuasi sisi ya me no kase ya? Ask me. Behwe nipa e deforme obewo ombewo nkwala e ma anyem ene ade. Go there and see. Say any your mind. Can Anglo Gold do the same thing in Johannesburg? Anka kuro ne bebo. Anka kuro no ebebo. Say obetumi akọ na Anglo Gold in Johannesburg. Now we tutu amena eja poisonous chemicals. Ewa amena nim. Na eni ema yare ewo Obuasi ema ni eni ema ye basa ewo Obuasi. Can Anglo Gold Ashanti ana Anglo Gold anka so betwa yesa wo Johannesburg? They can't do this. And it's about time yema so-called foreign companies now. Eba yema mu hanu yema omoti asese sebi eburu sebi nyado. Yeni yedi yema. We can't stop anybody from working here. But the point is that won't be ma metna ye konso. Sebi eburu sebi nyado. Yewra ene na na go ho a omasanko bie ano no. Sanko mo we na asa akoso. Impeni sim konwa no. Omama mo nyina omo te omo ho asese. Amena na ya abandon pit na. Omo so omo mpe no. Omo ma boys no so nyam adwuma. Den ya no mo ko nkoye. Obi ko wi obi ade ho. Obi ko kum nipa ho. Abandoned pits. But I never made a member of no. But I just want you to know, sir. Sa video na makwako fana mode aba foforo no. Eye 2023 video. Mo humani ngwase. We increase mu seat no. Seat na wo parliament no. Microcosm no. Increase seat no. We emma bonia a course no free Ghana for trim. So muni ma make catch no. And anyway, I was book again. And I be ma ye me jaya adwuma na ye no. We will talk and talk and talk and talk until say o man we be. And I mean, those politicians now, push videos. Look, NPP platforms, some of them I'm still on it. And it started from our own NPP platforms. If you want to look for something to nail me down, and the Kwasamado, na never some meeting. Mati. Wait, and I'm going to 2023 video. Somebody should tell me, say, you share 2025 I see. That better than share share. Share in Kwabena Agyarko. And people can testify. Do you know when I stopped using the towels? Now me use it. I stopped using that towel. And if you check that video carefully, and even the images are for screenshot you will see say Fiata go blue and white way any guniko. And then 2023 guys ne ko hoko ye adwuma. 2024 omo ho ye adwuma. Omo ko ye adwuma ndada. And now somebody is saying what? Say 2023 video, no. I bet you so fresh. Shame on you, NPP guys. Shame on you. Shame on you, NPP guys. Shame on you. So what's happening you? You guys were thinking, say, hey, that is how you killed John Kumah. That's why the NPP poisoned John Kumah. When I said it, people thought that I was joking. And Tim and John Koye. It's the same way the NPP poisoned Honorable Apiakubi. When I said it, people thought that, oh, Captain Smart Pekasa. Then Honorable Apiakubi and Kasa Babonting told the whole country that Asemna Mekai Nina. And let me say this and repeat again. Say the youth of this country, we will never ever sit down for empty-headed people calling themselves politicians to destroy the future of this beautiful country. What are they talking about? And which I want to talk about video now. I was asking myself, we a young guy with the NPP. We a young guy with the NPP. They are now say Captain Smart video ni. Yes, Shasie. Shasie. Call. No one's whistle. It's 2023, July, August, September, October, November, December, na no mko hokoye jumano. Na soja phone fio. 2024, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Na soja phone fio. They were still there. This is intentional. Obia sheda. And I mean, let me be sincere with you. Say, Unya Daji Kotina baby, no have a video. Say you want to run down Captain Smart. Hey man, you got a whole deal. You got a whole deal to pick up with me. Me. Say way better. This will not do anything to me. It's unfortunate that because of politics, this SSAC Obuasi and almost a day, I will go to Asante for statement no more kind of year. And I don't know what the NPP guys now more social media now more church or those things, you know. I don't know if some kind of year. Go back and read Anglo Gold Ashanti for no statement no the buy no. Then you can tell say Sesani ya Kwaku Annan what in crying and I will chotro what in crying and I will chotro what in crying and I will kasa Kwaku Annan Obuasi kroni na Obuasi kroni na Ada obi nkase earthquake nsi and obi nkase bibi nsi Obuasi when kra na adwe no ho akase bibi mpo ye nsure Obuasi kronu go to Joburg, go to Johannesburg and go for ya na the entire city our insurance a whole city our insurance a whole city our insurance. Now listen, Anglo Gold for statement, you know. I'm saying Anglo Gold Ashanti confirms incident on its Obuasi concession. Tell you, we must say it happened on their concession. But in some of I say Anglo Gold Ashanti Ghana confirms that on the evening of 18 January, an incident occurred in the fenced operation area in the northern part of the company's Obuasi concession. A large group of armed illegal miners attempted it's one motetete hona mo chocho NPP guys na yama muskano mo chocho na mo sore ya no na munim no. Listen and listen good. A large group of armed illegal miners attempted to forcibly gain unauthorized access to the mine infrastructure. Authorities mobilized to defend against this attack and to ensure the safety and security of employees and those in the immediate surrounds. Now listen, somebody attempted to forcibly gain access, and now they are describing it as an attack. Can this happen? Where can this happen in the world? And then Mugu social media and so say Jama Osikafia 200 Ghana or the Akoto data. Why you 50 Ghana to data? Now with the 150 I show. And then I will say they attempted, no. I feel you are describing it as an attack. TBM, the authorities have confirmed that 7 illegal miners tragically lost their lives in this incident. Only 7. Why are they lying? Why are they lying? Only 7. In this incident, and that a number of the illegal miners and member of the public security forces were injured. The situation at the mine is currently calm, and the company is working closely with the authorities. Our primary concern is the safety and health of all our employees and those in our community who have been directly impacted by this incident. Where can they go? To Johannesburg and write this brofo?
Because we are cheap.
Nah, because we are cheap. Ghana is cheap. Instead of Ghanaians holding this company responsible, NPP for because say Obi wu anamani agenti, you don't care because 2020 8 innocent youth were killed at in Techmine. The NPP administration supervised the killing of some 8 innocent Ghanaian youth. The NPP supervised and killed 8 innocent Ghanaian youth. You don't care. Now you are saying, say, Captain Smart, and I can't say, 2023 video. Granted, Captain Smart, and I can't say, oh, Monka, the other guy, no, too good, or must pay the Kumnipa.
Too good, now, only Juma, what will you do? You sit
down. What's our dream? You can't answer so much. And politicians next year. You guys think that we are just talking. You guys think that we are just talking. You think that we are just talking.
He has bought it. So your life doesn't matter.
Obuasi sisia ensuo keke. Omubejia num kran ebi ho ensuo e wo Obuasi. Nana do call you Kobie, ano fufo, with Ohine, my cousin me share video yase. And I said it. Then the Mukaye. And penny for Singonia, and Momoti assessor, Obuasi a Jumabia new. Abusia, a Jumabia, even in Suoke Krano, is being produced by a private person. How can Obuasi be a mining town to say Johannesburg? Now, in Suom Podiho.
It's different.
Read. Every before instead of you to hold the company responsible, work of a 2023 video and Mumfan so because I am a fact. NPP kum nipa 8 ewo techiman obi anka hwe momo de kum na ewo de NPP kum nipa 8 ewo techiman obi anka ho hwe enti nipa so ewu Obuasi ewo anye yenka company no wase 2023 video 2023 video also we na money ewu enti afi obi ba na ga say you are a liar. Me, I'm a liar. The video is 2023. So, when you mo shows now, I'm also coherent. Me, dining hall. I'm sitting right here. Me, I'm a dining hall. 5.4. Echina kona kwat na mo shows no ba koso. Unya 300 I have for me. Look, you do baby ya. As I say you mo bia fa ya doing ya grobium. Yamo be on fire drain in the agrubium. And the youth of this country, we will continuously fight for what belongs to us. So we need to catch up. Yen Ghana mebuno yebe koswa fight. Say on my way, be ye. Wamupa, they should kill all of us. Simple. Because we are then our two room, na company will be too gold. Our room. Shall acquire a war of Obuasi. Obuasi that. What incline or casa by heart. Have you gone to Obuasi before? No, have you gone to Obuasi before? I'm asking. Ko Obuasi na kwahwe ekwanya omonam so Obuasi. Ko Obuasi na kwahwe enkwala innocent children a omaye deformed. Ko Obuasi na kwahwe yare skin diseases so say rashes so say den yare e won krofo with yeso e wo Obuasi. Ko Obuasi na kwahwe ekom e wo Obuasi. Obuasi na mframa omuhome e wo Obuasi Obuasi na kwahwe mframa ko na kohome mframa na omuhome e wo Obuasi ni bi then you can come back to say something Obuasi kuruna say adwuma bie ni ho abandoned pits. Na me kind one statement na I'm not going to Asante Bediatuo South Africa. I could trust our statement way. Hey, Ghana na yete ha oh enye family nyame when you yen kana sem we or penny have you we when you need to yen kana sem huh? Hey, I want to say this and just go. And say, Ebushi, the video is 2023 June video. The video was in 2023 June. And yet, but only NPP for bleedy. NPP for no omu bleedy. Enti a how omu bleedy too much. Time na mete abom. Na ye father also. I can't NDC assembly there. They saw me as angel coming from Yankopon Ekuku. The same thing I ye ma'am. Eye chere NDC no. Ye bi mamwa. Mu bleedy. Mu be bleedy. Mu be bleedy. But no kwasama woman say. The video is 2023 video. Enti NPP for na cover video no. They dey amamu se mu pushi. Wo mu pe bibia to abo Captain Smart. Me unyame. Metimbe I say God and no video bi I say akonyi mu biere. Am so bo nana. I am saying this. We would not allow anybody. Mese Obuasi na kwhwe se de Obuasi kuro no tanfa. Sanglo bet my South Africa. Let them go to South Africa. No mon koye de omoye e wo South Africa be. Go to South Africa. Na kwhwe South Africa. E ho na wo be hu se sei ne ye yo man ya. Ghana mpani forte ho sikagyegie ne krono sikagyegie ne krono ena ye wo mode na ka Obuasi ewie ni na ya say Captain Smart can say omo so nkwa amena ne mu bi. Okay, first question pacho amena ne mu na soldier for 2 ko but no mo shamen
before no mo they say mamuna mane before no mo ko they say mamuna
omo ko amenu no mo ko ye. When we saw this coming, we started saying ye mo bi an kwa amenu mu bi na de asem beba. When we said that, people thought, oh, we're joking. Because in Peniphobia, Menano say, ya farm Menano, ya ton abandoned pits. Now, Google said it was, they were trying to, they attempted. One was almost statement we went to be and throw that said boys need be fire.
If they were armed.
One was they were armed. What to be that? Then nipa no ye armed no. What to tuo na ono oye armed no the session bottom.
Couldn't shoot one.
No one to tuo the back okra. If indeed they were armed. If indeed they were armed, I don't know there will be 2 1 2 2 because Ghana full. Obi afini krum na oba na wabe ye de opachre yen okrum ha na okọ na we aba na wabe ye de opachre yen okrum ha na okọ na we aba na wabe ye de opachre yen okrum ha na okọ na we aba be na ka mo nipa ti krum ha afiri. The one is NPP there, your body patua, and I mean, time found because touch my papa. You are doing politics with this? This is a shame. If you care to know, and I am saying once again, sir, Sagro Wina ye di room has a say wrong. Yaji a second independence. Let it get into the head of every politician, both NDC and NPP, and whoever or no, not the say, obey to hold this country to a ransom. No, young bomber man, say, on my way in Sibium. Because Obuasi, who is a Juma Papa bi wo. Obuasi, a Juma Papa bi e wo ha. Coffee said boys na amenemu no mbepese o mekwa kwahye. Ya say o mine sa Ghana say ye cheap people be enu bi asori a obaga na ha no abeye de opa akire ye no ko obi aba no abeye de opa akire ye no ko. Really, can Anglo Gold Ashanti issue this statement out South Africa? My goodness. Can they issue this statement? Hey, what's this guy? Can they issue this statement out South Africa? Someone should tell me. Sir Anglo Gold Ashanti. Asamoye design ya mresamoye undi ye sanse hunu we omodi. Sankomo South Africa, Johannesburg. Who made me issue this statement? And the son said Ghana no. Yeah, funti. Now NPP boys, what young guy, they amount 200 Ghana, they amount 300 Ghana, 200 Ghana, 300 Ghana, 200 Ghana, 300 Ghana. So who nipana we wunu kopo bi na fa kwose no. Kofa 2023 video. Na fa be share Captain Smart. Are you correct? I understand this is politics because it started from NPP platform, so I was reading. NPP communicators platforms, no. You think I don't know? I know. But the year can say 2023 video. Akufo Addo, no problem. There. Also, I would say TV. You didn't even know the video, no. And yet this year, 2023 June. Huh? 2023 June video. Now Akufo Addo. Now I'm I will still fight for the youth of this country. I will still fight for the development of every single space and corner in this country. I will still not keep quiet. Kosi se me hu se o man we aye papa. Kosi se me hu se o man we ejina na naso. Kosi se ye me hu se o man we Ghana mebunu yenso we can be proud of our country. Not when we are being suppressed, oppressed, and depressed by our so-called old folks. The old folks, what are they doing? They are always trying to suppress the new folk. We will not. They see it is rather Anglo Gold that must be held responsible. But I say, they never anticipated that. Only Agobi. So the young guys, you are at liberty to join the NPP. You are at liberty to join the NDC. No problem. If you want our CPP, come to us. But the Etienne said, whatever will be beye, whatever I will be back. Say, and no more, no mind will call any there, and your will come after you. Me, when you insult me, and find I am one person who did matter and family who can take it to say, Ting, and you may share. It's so unfortunate. Matise Ghana man pedi akase Anglo Gold Ashanti. Fona ankasa. Omo ensure when that hospital ni na hoka. Na fe won mo ankasa kum won no so. Omo nyere omo na omo kan na omo mfa Ghana ha yese armed robber mpo 7 so we bibia nsima na wu na wunya na kromfo mpo ye mfa nsam mono kromfo kra ye mono sei na wudi brika a shoot dipa na ngogo na Asante tvinya kokuduro ebe shoot the statement ebe shoot the statement na ye ni aje ngogo na Asante shoot statement. I came to say just one thing. The video is 2023 June this year. Me call enkoye any show about Obuasi and untino mo buy me. I mean to have NIPA 5.9 CCA a year. I mean chamo Afenyo Markins na mako home enti NPP for na mo hana mudi video na chino tuburikana ko na sako ka platform no so say video no 2023 na maniewu unya kwaju smart ne unya mechina openyansa momra mo nyansa o mefi ha mema mo bi na motumi adadwe mo ho say we are building a country, we are not building a political party. Se koyi mawa na wayero ho na wafa ankoyi amawa, you go back to the drawing board no wakwa kwahihye wodiema. But on my way so there ye ma ho bi ama mese ye man ma yen anglo good want be near South Africa na ya mana kwan na be South Ghana enu ntino mo mo di America e kasa en se mo ni ewu mo koye sane ma no mo ni ewu. So go back na ko kanjira mo mpeni mfo ne se mo beto kodwe nyansafo ya mama hunu mo ankasa opposition. Listen, finally, there are people in this country who are just interested in deflating people's genuine interests, killing people's interests for this country. Some of us, we don't have that time to listen and waste on you. You cannot be sitting on the fence and throw a dirty towel at the king's party, and you expect the wise men, the intelligent people, the noblemen the king has put together, to just stop dining and whining with the king and jump over and come and do what? Chase you who threw just one dirty towel at the party. You guys are babies. Listen and listen good. I don't respond to babies. I take care of babies. All right? So if you think you are whoever you think you are a baby. I don't respond to babies. I take care of babies. My name is Blessed, God's Brain Smart. You can call me Captain Smart. Ekoye ma NPP a Kojo ye champion. Ekoye ma NDC a Kojo ye champion. Kojo the war NPP a Kojo ye unprofessional. Kojo the war NDC a Kojo ye unprofessional. Ghana say I am the professional. good night. God bless all of you. I love you. Bye bye.
Yo, waiting for when reporter abeto yep no so make out say so you subscribe to channel idea but more than say over subscribe we say had the latest and hot news and abede bremo afi we are now like video and give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu and someone ekoso e wo Ghana memo ano also with me atchere wadwen afa aye and some way nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.